The SECUPRO MEGASAFE is a particularly robust cutting tool for safety-conscious, heavy-duty users. Release the safety knife's blade using the slider. The double-sided slider makes the knife suitable for both right and left-handers. The blade retracts fully automatically. Keep the slider pressed throughout the cut. Plastic strapping band is best cut at a 45-degree angle. Ensure sufficient counterpressure so that the blade does not retract prematurely. For example, when cutting tape. Therefore, hold the handle at a slight angle. Important: never put your free hand on the cutting path. Pierce to remove flaps. The safety technology is activated when cutting begins. Don't forget, never cut directly towards you. Again, pierce. The thumb remains on the slider, and the blade retracts. When finished, keep safe. Pierce to remove the lid. The safety technology is activated when cutting begins. The thumb remains on the slider, and the blade retracts. Remember, never cut directly towards you. When cutting a window, release the blade. Cut, release the blade again. The cutting depth of the SECUPRO MEGASAFE is up to 17 mm. Another cutting application is the slabbing of material from a roll. For power cuts, use both hands. Floor coverings are also no problem. Always hold down flexible material. Another example, rubber mats. At the end, the blade retracts. Turn the blade around to get a fresh cutting edge. Press the blade change button and turn the handle to the side. Push the slider forward and keep pressing so that the transparent cover can be seen on top. Important: do not touch the cutting edge. Always touch the blade at the blunt side. Remove the blade, turn it, and place it exactly on the location lobes. Slowly pull back the slider and close the blade change button. Test once to finish. When both cutting edges have been used, replace the blade. And again, press the blade change button down, push the slider forward, transparent cover on top, remove the blade. Always change your blade in time and dispose of immediately in the used blade container. As replacements, only use MARTOR blades. Push the slider forward so that the holder opens and place the blade exactly on the location lobes. Close the button and test once to finish. Before cleaning the knife, remove the blade and place down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt, but do not unscrew the handle for cleaning or any other purpose. Reinsert the blade and slowly pull back the slider. Close the blade change button and test once to finish. Feel free to use our other media as well, for example our safety poster. And follow the instructions in the user manual.